Arts Workfly.
Back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and today we'll be talking about the artist statement. Alright, so some of these sentences are not my own, okay? I got it from Google, so you can go ahead and do your own research, okay, guys? So, these are the questions that you should use or you can use to write your artist statement. So, number one, what was your background or past like as it relates to art? Number two, what inspired you to start doing art and why? Number three, when did you start to do art or realize you could draw or loved art? Number four, what style of art do you like to do or focus on and why? Number five, what are the processes or steps that you can take to ensure that your artwork is complete and is pleasing to you and the viewers? Number six, how do you go about doing your research for an artwork in order to get ideas? Alright, so this part here is just a short version, but if you want a more descriptive version of it, you can use this to also assist you to write the artist statement. So, number one, what does your work look like? Try describing it as if a reader can see it. Try closing your eyes and examining how it appears in your own mind. Number two, what are its physical properties? Colors, shapes, sizes. How do its physical properties and form contribute to its meaning? Number three, how does it exist in space? Is it 2D or 3D? Is it big or small? Is its size important or can a viewer also experience it on their phone? Number four, where do we see it? What's the ideal space for your work? A museum or a gallery? A theater or the street? Number five, is your work temporal? Does it grow, decay, or change? When did you first make this work? Under what circumstances? Number six, how are you making this work? Describe your process. Is it easy or difficult? Is your process methodical, strenuous, violent, or peaceful? How much time does your work take to make? Where do you make it? Do your materials work together or separately? Number seven, why do you make this work? What motivates you? Are you influenced by any particular artist? Are you inspired by personal experiences? By your surroundings? How did you come to produce these particular pieces? Number eight, how do viewers experience your work? Are they excited, annoyed, shocked, baffled, turned on, moved, disgusted, amused, terrified, or inspired? Do their first responses change when they spend more time with the work? Number nine, who does your work speak to? Is your intended audience the only audience? What does your work say to people beyond the artwork? Number 10, does your artwork respond to current or historical events? Is it political or personal? Or both? Is your own identity important in your work? Does it address contexts such as race, class, gender, sexuality, science, popular culture, or others? Number 11, what do you call your work? How do you come up with titles? Do your pieces remain untitled? Why? Do titles complement your work or does it speak for itself? A lot of these questions are about what your work is, but what does your work do? Number 12, how is it active in the world? Keep in mind that artist statements are generally short, about 150 to 300 words. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.